Right, so this is the Razer Blade Pro RTX 3060 versus Razer Blade Advanced RTX 3070. Same CPU, so let's see the kind of performance you can expect. You can already see that this one drops. CPU time is around 16, 17. This is about the same, so you can see that. Okay, so let's go to menus, check to make sure.
So we'll leave this to install and just go. Yeah, it's a pretty good screen. It's a QHD screen, and this is the Razer Blade Pro, which you can see it's a little bit larger and basically a little bit tougher. So here, the reason we're comparing the 3060 Pro with the 3070 here, because with the 3070 base, it's about the same price as the 3060 Pro. Now with the Pro, you get some extra features. It's got better speakers. It's got much better cooling. Is it recording? Okay. Got much better cooling, and these are both QHD screens. In this configuration, this will be more expensive. So this is the 3070. This is the 3060 Pro. But in the base configuration, they'll be similar price.